Hey, it's me, Raven, here again with another video, also known as Makeup by Rave. And today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a really fun cut crease makeup look. All the products today are going to be L'Oreal. Let's get right into it.
But before we get started, I just wanted to say thank you for the continued support. Happy New Year, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. So first I'm going to start by priming my face with the L'Oreal Infallible Glow Lock Primer. Next, I'm going to go ahead and grab my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer and begin to prep the base of my eye.
So today for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Le Nude palette. And for the cut crease, I'm going to be using the darkest shade in this palette to create some dimension. Also, what I love about this Le Nude palette is that on the back, it also has a little guide if you wanted to create some other smoky looks, and it has each step and each color that you should use to create the look. So before we get started on the eyes, today I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist, and I'm just going to brush the brows in place. I really want the brows to have a very groomed and clean look. And I'm also going to take the time to fill in any sparse areas. This is the shade Dark Brunette. Just going to lightly create strokes that look just like my eyebrow. So now that that's done, I'm also going to use this to create my crease. One thing that I love about makeup is that you can always play around and use your products for different things. You don't always have to use a brow pencil just for the brows. You can use it for different areas of the face as well. So because I really want a defined crease, I'm going to create my crease with my eyes open. So I'm just going to use this pencil to kind of trace the area and begin to draw a faint line so I know where the crease is going to begin. It doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to be using eyeshadow to build definition over this area. Next, I'm going to use this shade to create my crease. So as I begin to create my crease, I'm just going to lightly place the product down and blend as smoothly as possible. So now that I have finished layering the product, I'm going to take a makeup wipe and begin to create the crease by removing the makeup that is on the lid. Now that that's done, to define the crease even more, I'm going to go back in with the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer and a flat brush and just begin to gently place concealer on the base of the lid. So now that the crease is completed, I'm going to set my eyelids with the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Setting Powder. Now for the base, I'm going to be using these two colors. Next, I'm going to line my lids with this shade. Today for foundation, I'm going to be mixing my True Match Lumi Glow Lotion with my True Match foundation.
And I will be using my L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It to contour. For lipstick, I'm going to be using the shade Glossy Fawn in Color Rich.
Today for lashes, I'm going to be using the Eye Envy Lashes by Kiss in 131. So this brings us to the end of this cut crease tutorial. I hope you guys have an amazing new year. Stay safe and see you guys next time.